this is a DSC and PASA, and we're just going to program some codes in on this one. The setup for this is going to be the exact same for the Alexer and also for the hardwired PK5500 LCDs and the oh, our treble light just came on here again, so I'm just going to silence that. Okay, so we'll just get right into it. So to do the codes, you're going to hit *5, and it says right on the screen there, enter master access code, and the current code's 1234. Okay, and so now it says press star to edit user code number 1. So you'll notice there's a little dash beside number 1. That means that it's blank. So if I scroll through this with the arrow key, you can see that we've got all these different codes that we can add to the system. So it goes up to 16, and then it jumps to 40, and 40 has a P beside it for programmed. So we're going to hit star. It says star to edit, so I'm going to hit the star, and it shows you what the current code is. So I'm just going to put in a random different number here. Actually, let's make sure I know what it is. Let's go back here. So we're going to make it, let's just make it 4321, so we'll just reverse it. So now I went into number 40 there. Okay, so I can either use the arrow keys, or I can actually even just press 40 to skip right to it there. And it says 4321, so I know that's what I want. And you can hit the pound button to go back. So know that that code has been changed. So we went into the programming, we took 1234 and changed it to 4321. So now if I want to add another code, so I don't want to go to 40 because that means I'm going to change the one I've already changed. So we're going to select this one. So this is user code number 1. Okay, so what it is, it timed out here. So we're going to go back in, so *5 and put in 4321. Okay, it says star to edit user code 1, so I'm going to hit star to edit, and you'll see there's a bunch of A's there, and we'll just put in 1111. Okay, so now user code 1 is programmed. Okay, I can go to number 2, and I can hit star 2222, and I can put a code in there. So now I've got a code in number 1, I've got a code in number 2, and then all these are empty, right? And it goes up to 40 again. And 40 is the 4321. Okay, so now I got all those codes in there, so I'm going to hit the pound, and I'm going to exit out. So now I can use any of those codes to arm it. So I can use 4321 to turn it on. Okay, I can use 1111 to turn it off, and I can also use 2222 to arm it there. And oops, if you hit your code wrong, just hit pound, and I'll put in 4321 again here. So all those codes are working. Now if you want to delete the codes out, we do the exact same thing. So we're going to hit *5. It says here enter master code, which is 4321. Okay, and we have code 1 here is programmed, so I'm going to hit star to edit it. Now I can do a couple things here. So what I can do is I can just leave this. If that's a code I want to keep, I can leave it there. I can also change it, so I could just copy over it with a code. Okay, and now code 1 is 5555. But if I want to delete it, I'm going to select it there, so it's showing the code. And if I just hit star again, it deletes it. And so you notice 1 is blank. And I'll go to 2 here. I'll hit star to select that one, and that code we want to delete that out, so I'm going to hit star. So now user code 1 has a dash beside it, so it's empty. User code 2 has a dash beside it. So again, we'll scroll here to 40. Okay, and hit star to edit it, and I'm going to change this back to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then I'm going to hit pound to exit out. So now we're exactly where we were at the start. We just had the master code as 1, 2, 3, 4. We just went in there, changed the master code, added some user codes, tried all of them, and then deleted them all out again. So if you want to have multiple codes for family, friends, neighbors, whatever you want, then you should be able to do that.